Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to check your Java version on Windows 10. For this, I will use two methods and you can use either. First one method is through command prompt. For that, click on this one start button, type here cmd. In the search results, click on this one command prompt entry. Here you need to type java space dash version and then press enter on the keyboard. This will display Java version on your command prompt. Next one method is through control panel. For that, click on this one start button and type here control. In the search results, click on this one control panel entry. Then set here view by to category. Then click on this one uninstall a program link. Here select Java and you can see Java version. That's all about this video. If you are new to our channel GearUpWindows, kindly subscribe it, and if you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.